So welcome to WB Peach Stars. The next impression I would like to showcase is our little seahorse. So this impression you get after most of the meal is the last dessert, and this when you walk through one of our installation rooms we call the black box. Right now it's a theme where we support the LGBTQ community, inspired by the rainbow, and it's again talking about immigration, embracing different things as we talk about embracing immigration downstairs. This one is more of the gender equality and to be a supportive to that community. So our seahorse here is inspired by childhood memories. This very sour candy from my childhood. So made it into a sherbet ice cream that is colored with the rainbow colors.